Hey friends! Welcome back on my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, hello po, my name is Ybeth and I hope that you will enjoy your stay here on my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to open a new bag. This is my birthday gift for myself. I got it from Rostan's. I actually got it few months back pa. My birthday month is June, but nakuha ko siya I think April this year because nung nakita ko yung exact size and color, I just feel like kailangan ko na siyang bilihin because not all the time is available yung size and yung color na gusto ko. And true enough, chinek ko recently lang, wala nga tong specific color and size na gusto ko. So buti na lang binili ko siya. But ngayon ko lang siya i-unbox and i-open kasi nga parang ito na yung pinaka-birthday gift ko sa sarili ko. This is one of my dream bag when I was in college but can't afford. So we have here the package details form and Rostan's card, thank you for shopping. And we got a paper bag, a LONGCHAMP paper bag. So yes, our newest baby, my dearest family and friends, it's from LONGCHAMP. Nagpadala din sila ng parang ziplock along with the paper bag. And here's our beautiful baby girl! Family and friends, meet our newest baby. This is the LONGCHAMP La Plage in large and in color black and brown. So last year, for my birthday, I got 2 leather bags from Coach. So this year, sabi ko, hindi na ako leather. I'll try other parang material. So we got a nylon material para magaan. Kasi yung mga nabili ko last year na leather bags, medyo mabigat siya. And last year, I also got a medium size kasi parang medium yung pinaka-perfect sa size ko kasi I'm petite. But this year, I wanted to get a large one. If kailangan ko ng super laking storage and as in marami akong kailangan dalhin that day, this is the perfect one because of its size and it's very lightweight. So, kahit marami kang dalhin, hindi siya makaka-add sa bigat. Wala pa akong courage na bumili ng mga light colors. Foresee ko na gagamitin ko siya sa mga araw na super busy or errands day or I have a long day. So, feeling ko hindi ko siya masyado maiingatan. So, I really have to get yung color na hindi marumihin. And I love na golden yung hardware niya. So, nagmamatch siya sa mga jewelries ko. And it's paired with another fave, color brown. So, ganito siya guys, ka-spacious. Like as in, we just need to get some organizer insert. So para, alam mo yun, may structure siya or nakatayo siya kapag ipapatong mo. Okay, meron pala siyang packet. Meron siyang 2 small packets. Sa harap, meron siyang 1. And actually, may nakalagay din na LONGCHAMP card. So, another card. And then, another small packet lang din sa likod. Ayan. And then, as in full zip. Meaning, lahat ng thing, or lahat ng gamit mo sa loob is secured. Look at the zipper. So cute. It has the LONGCHAMP logo in gold hardware as well. Also, I like that it has 2 handles. So, since zinizip nga siya, and let's say, nasa arms ko siya na ganyan, and then bigla akong may kailangan pala sa loob, hindi ko na siya kailangang ibaba pa, or hindi ako mahihirapang kumuha ng something sa loob, because pwede ko lang tanggalin yung isang handle, and then open the zipper, while may kinukuha. Diba? Parang hindi siya hassle. So, this is our front profile. Ayan siya sa side. And then, our back profile. Top profile. Let's see nga. Arte. Meron na kasi ako medium eh. So, tama lang tong large. Diba? So, now, come with me kasi ipapa-enhance natin yung lip color natin for today's video. Let's go! Super happy! Magagamit ko na siya! Thank you, Lord. So now, we are going to the beauty clinic na for my lip color enhancement nga. My main problem is that uneven yung color ng lips ko. So what I do is, usually, every time na I go out, nagli-lip liner ako. And nagkakos siya nung pagka-dry ng lips ko. And most of the time, masakit kasi tinatanggal ko yung excess na balat or kapag nagda-dry. Then I found this beauty clinic. According to their promotion, it's painless daw. So, we'll see if it's really painless and if it's effective. So yeah, come with me today. We're here. Ay, sorry po.
Sige lang po.
Thank you po.
Yan.
Ayan, makikita na yung tatacharing.
Ayun na, check lips. Yung color corrector, meaning, for example, ito yung lips mo. Ganito muna tayo today. Then, after 2 months, pag nag-effect na yung gamot, ganyan na po yung lips natin in 2 months.
Okay.
So, after nun, pagka ganun na yung lips mo, pwede ka nang mamili ng color.
Oh, okay pa.
Meron pa tayong isang ink, yung VIP natin. Ito siya, USA ink. 20K siya talaga. May built-in siyang color corrector.
Anesthesia po yan.
Hindi.
Ano po
pa
siya?
lang yun? Ban.
Okay, friends, we're out. And meron silang aftercare kit for 1,000 pesos with antibiotic, power lip balm, and everything. Andito na lahat. Dear cold naman. Hey friends, now we're out for dinner. Guys, hindi totoo ang chismis. Hindi siya painless. Hindi siya super as in, wala kang mag-feel na pain. But I would say, compared to eyebrow, kasi diba nagpa-eyebrow ako before, compared to eyebrow, lesser yung pain. Siguro yung eyebrow like as in 9/10. But for this one, for lips, around 6 lang, 6/10. But hindi siya totally painless. I would say na maganda lang siguro yung quality ng anesthesia nila. Siguro depends sa pain tolerance. But for me, medyo tolerable naman. First na in-apply nila is yung lip balm. Then after is parang binabad na yung anesthesia. I think that's around 15 to 20 minutes. And then after, ayun na, nilagyan na nila ng parang tint. Ayun na yung merong needle talaga. Parang naka 4 to 5 layers sila. And I would say yung first layer, ayun talaga siguro yung painless. Wala ako na feel at all. But yung second and yung third, yun na yung super sakit. And yung mga fourth layer, or yung parang finishing touches, parang namanhid na lang ako sa sakit. And then after that is, may nilagay silang parang serum. Ayun, super sakit talagang naluha talaga ako. But after naman ilagay yung serum na yun, meron silang parang device, cooling device. So naka-lessen yung device na yun sa pain. And then after is skinlin nila. You can see naman in the video na meron silang clean talaga, like bubble facial wash something. And lastly is parang merong air something device na nagre-release ng air. That's all. For sure magsasweldo and magkakaroon ng peeling. But yung mga update kung anong mangyayari after next few hours or days, dun ko na lang siguro i-share sa retouch vlog. So that's it for today's video. I'm going to have my dinner na. And nag-dinner na yung kasama ko. I'll see you on my next one. Bye! By the way, if you do, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!